Samsung is set to announce the Galaxy S24 series in 2 weeks, but most of the future phone's features and information have been leaked. Their photographs have also found their way into the internet, displaying how they seem. The European prices for the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra were leaked a few days ago. Pre-order perks have already been revealed. The phones will be available for pre-order in several key areas immediately after the launch. If you pre-order the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, or Galaxy S24 Ultra, according to a South Korean report, Samsung will offer twice the storage capacity for free. For example, if you pay the price of the 256GB version of the Galaxy S24 Plus, you will get the 512GB version for free. Similarly, if you pay the price of the 512GB version of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, you may acquire the top smartphone's 1TB version. This offer is comparable to Samsung's for the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S23. When you purchase a Galaxy S24 series smartphone, Samsung is said to also offer the Galaxy Buds FE and the Galaxy Watch at reduced pricing. The specific discount or version of the Galaxy Watch on offer has yet to be revealed. Samsung has been supplying Galaxy Watch 4 series smartwatches in certain places for the last 2 years, and it would be excellent if the firm offered the Galaxy Watch 6 at a reduced price, since it has been 6 months since the debut of the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. The Galaxy S24 will be available in 128GB and 256GB models, while the Galaxy S24 Plus will be available in 256GB and 512GB versions. The 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB variants of the Galaxy S24 Ultra will all be available, but the 1TB version will only be sold on Samsung's website. Samsung's online shop will also offer unique color choices for the future phones. With a slew of leaks and information on the new Samsung Galaxy S24 series, it seems that Samsung is once again attempting to woo buyers with intriguing pre-order perks. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.